Some parts of western Massachusetts have snow on the ground, but it's still looking pretty bare in the Springfield area. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko working for you tonight with how February is typically when we see our snowstorms, Adam.
That's right, Ciara. Historically, February can be a pretty busy month for snowstorms and even blizzards.
While it's hard to find any snow on the ground here in the Springfield area right now, in some past years it was a very different story. Of course, there was the blizzard of 1978 that paralyzed the state for many days. 7 years ago, another powerful February blizzard hit western Massachusetts. In 2013, on February 8th and 9th, 20 inches of snow fell in less than 24 hours. Strong gusty winds caused whiteout conditions and travel became virtually impossible. The cleanup from that storm lasted for days. Some other big February snowstorms include February 15th through 17th in 1958, February 5th through 6th, 2001, and February 17th through 18th in 2003.
Now, no big snowstorms on the way, but there is some February snow on the way tonight into tomorrow. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko.